if you're brand new to programming, you're still new to Python, that's what this primer is for you to start getting your mind wrapped around how these structures work and play with them. Make your own, a set of toys. So you should be able to do this. Again, an exercise right now. Create a set of toys with 4 toys in it and loop through them and print them out. Okay? If we pause the video, take a minute to do that, to make a list of toys, put them in a variable, and then print them out. Okay? Hopefully you paused the video and tried to do this. And if it took you a while, that's okay. But the idea is that you want to have some practice in doing these things. So notice how, even though it's a simple exercise, it's not bad practice. So I made a list of toys, just like that, and then I looped through them and printed them out. So if you could do the same thing with movies, make a list of movies, loop through them and print them out. Just to practice getting to write a little bit of code. Now, I think that one of the features that's important about Python, and this will kind of wrap up somewhat of the this video, is that we started looking at collections here. In our next lecture, we're going to get into kind of one of the important concepts that we want to take away from this Python primer, so that you can then begin working in Odoo effectively, and that's understanding dictionaries and understanding basic how methods are called and how you can understand how parameters are passed to methods. And so we're going to jump into that in our next lecture. Hopefully you're starting to feel comfortable with lists of items, and now we're going to expand on that a little bit more with another very important Python concept, dictionaries.